Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Jack Haines, Reviews Director here at YachtBuyer, and the first thing I want to do is say a massive thank you. We launched the channel just before Christmas and we really appreciate the support we've had thus far. To everybody who's watched, liked, commented, thank you so much. We really do appreciate it, and especially you subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because we've got a boatload, see what I did there, of content coming your way very soon on the channel. So do it right now, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll never miss a piece of content from YachtBuyer. On to this video then, there's a couple of things I want to talk about. The first is I want to introduce you to my colleague and fellow boat tester, Carl Richardson. Carl has been working with boats for years and years. He's tested well over 300 of all shapes and sizes, and he's got some great reviews coming to the channel very soon, so he's going to tell you all about those. And after that, Carl and I are going to have a bit of a chat about the Dusseldorf boat show, because that is where I'm filming this video from. There's loads of really exciting stuff that we're going to be bringing to the channel for you guys to watch, so keep an eye out for those. So that's enough for me for now. Over to Carl.
It's great to be back here at the Dusseldorf Boat Show and with you on the YachtBuyer channel. But before Jack and I dive into the new boats at this show, I want to talk to you about two fantastic yacht reviews that I've got coming up on the YachtBuyer channel. The first boat I want to tell you about is the new Azimut Grande 26 metre. Now this is a brand new boat and we got on it at the Cannes Yacht Show. It's a pocket super yacht, 5 cabins, 30 knots, but it's the design, both in terms of its sophistication and its spectacle. This is a boat you've got to see. The second boat is the new Sirena 78. Now this is another fantastic example of next generation cruising design from this boutique yacht builder. It is loaded with style, loaded with space, and is like the perfect continuation of the 88 that we saw a couple of years ago that won so many awards. Look out for both of these boats on the YachtBuyer YouTube channel.
Here we are then, back under the lights here in Dusseldorf. It shouldn't work, should it, having all these things stuck inside a shed in northern Germany, but it does all come together, and actually it's a really great show.
It really is. It's great to be back at Dusseldorf, like I said earlier on. The sweet smell of GRP running faintly through the stands, but there's a lot of boats here. I know there was some whispers around there not being as many boats this year, but it's a great show. We've got plenty of European debuts, good few world debuts as well.
Yeah, and there are some really important launches here, aren't they? And none more so than the Sunseeker Superhawk 55.
Definitely. I mean, a lot of talk about this boat. We want to see a lot more of it. You're going to see a lot more of it. So I'll be really interested about that. But they've also got another debut here, which is the 75 Sports Yacht. So I want to see how that boat's evolved from the 74. 74 wasn't out that long ago. So how has that boat moved on? Slightly lower down the food chain, we've got the Bavaria SR33. And what's really great about that debut is we've looked at the SR41, we've looked at the SR36. So this gives us a chance to see an entire range evolve over what? The last 18 months, 2 years.
Yeah.
What about you, Jack? What are you looking forward to?
Yeah, well, we've mentioned the Sunseeker. I am going back on board. We've done a first look of that, and you can watch that. I'll put a link up there in the description below. We've done a first look, but yeah, I'll be on board, touching it, feeling it myself, and really seeing if it lives up to the billing. Princess as well, they've got some really exciting stuff here. The S72 launches here, that's brand new, world debut here, and I believe you're going to get on the X80 as well, aren't you?
Yeah, we're going to have another look at that boat. We looked at it in Plymouth last year, very cold Plymouth day it was, so we're going to look at it here under the show lights. That's another great point about this show. There are ranges of boats here, so you can see how a 50 and a 60 and a 70 foot start to sort of marry up what you gain, what you lose. So that's a really good opportunity at this show.
No, there really is a bit of everything. It's one of those shows where if you genuinely want to compare boats, this is the place to be. And there's one more that I'm really excited about seeing actually, which is the Sargo 45. Now, you know, they're not a name as big as the likes of Princess and Sunseeker, but in these parts in Scandinavia, they are big business. Their 45 is here. It's the biggest boat they've ever built. So I'm really excited to see that one. And it's a really good example of the mix of stuff you get here at Dusseldorf.
Definitely.
But that really is just a small taste of what's here and what we're going to see. We've got a lot of boats booked to film, and they will all be coming to the channel, of course. But if there's anything particular you'd like to see that we've not mentioned, leave us a comment and we'll do our best, one of us, to get on board, film it, and bring it to you in the near future. Thanks very much for watching this video, and as I said, loads of great stuff coming along, so do subscribe now and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks again, see you on the next one.